Hello guys! Today we are going to make a crochet idea. Super cool and very fast. Let's start by making the magic ring. Then here inside the ring, I will work 12 half double crochet. To make the loop half double crochet, I look for the thread, I shoot the 3 handles at once. Let's make 12 points in total. After making all the points, I made 1 slip stitch on the first point. And in this second round, let's work 2 half double crochet for each point on the base. So let's go on like this, working 2 half double crochet for each point. And in the end, we will have one total of 24 points. After the end of this tour, make 1 slip stitch on first half double crochet. For the next round, make a chain. I work a half double crochet here on this first point. At the next point, we will make 2 half double crochet. We will continue this way, making a half double crochet, and increase all around. After finishing the round, I will cut my wire, leaving a little left over for the finish. I come with another wire color, in case I'm going to use a very light gray. I do in the slide. I leave it on the needle. I introduce the needle here at the penultimate point, before closing. I look for the thread and make a single crochet. I work a single crochet at the next point. Now here at the slip stitch, I also make a single crochet. And a single crochet at the next point, already hiding the leftover wire. Of blue color, I make 1 chain. 0, so we made 4 career points. In this career, we will also make 4 points, making 1 single crochet for each point on the base. I make 1 chain, turn work, 2 single crochet, 1 point for each point. And after making that last single crochet, let's go to work. 8 chains. You can make more chains, case prefer. Now I'm going to insert the needle into these 2 handles from the last single crochet, and I will make this a single crochet. I'm still working on 2 single crochet here in my career, 1 point for each point. I make a chain, short or wired. After doing the finishes, let's make a little embroidery. I am using sewing needle and embroidery thread. Insert the needle here in the center of the piece, right inside the magic ring. I leave the leftover wire back there. Here I will make 1 line, vertical, right in the center of the piece. here at the bottom of the last lap. This way, the same thing I will do for the bottom. Face inside of the magic ring. And stroke one vertical line. Here, right in the center of the piece, at the foot of the last lap. After doing this, let's go back into the magic ring. Always working this way, going back into the ring. I leave here at the front. Step all my wire. Now let's do one in the same way. Make one diagonal line. Skipping some dots here. Back inside the ring. I do it again. This diagonal line, now on the other side. I come back inside the ring. And let's do the same thing. Here on the other side, to complete the X, soon we finish OX. Back inside the ring. And now let's do little straights. Here between these bigger tips. So here, or I will introduce on the foot of the second lap now. So I make a line here. Come back inside the magic ring again. Step to the next space. I make the line, inserting the needle into the foot of the second turn. Come back inside the ring again. And I repeat this until the end. Ready, so here we come at the end of our embroidery. Now to make the last straight, I will introduce the needle here of the ring, taking one piece of white wire, and I will make one point here of finishing. So here I had to break up the little one, but you will do the same. I take the two threaded nieces here, and I'll do the little one right here in the center at the end of the ring. This way, embroidery design will be presented in the same way. front and back. Here in this neighborhood, you can pass 1 drop of cola. Case prefer. This is the result of our crochet piece today. This beautiful Natalina ball. Super simple and very fast to do. It has a very nice finish. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked, don't forget to leave your like. And I'm waiting for you in an upcoming video. Until more.